The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Take kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksao point rewlak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ïakren University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangbak Jelau Konrad Kia Sangma haka arpsau terek unailar arjar penrio. Ula pente baka Sorkar kalapha da kashiti ban Khot Ïakren ya ki nongelam jongka khasi Students Union haka bedei bat ki santli ki mat Jingdawa ki baka sengkal IT hakmat ka Sorkar. Haka Ïakren bat ki lapat hai kubor. U Konrad Sangma ula ong baka Sorkar kadang ap ya ka jubab naka KSU bat ya ka jubab on sayo lesi la kumnu menta ka janmit.
Well, we have written to them today, officially this time, and asked them to come for discussions and for talks. We expect that we will get some response, maybe by today evening or maybe tomorrow. And we will discuss all the 5 agendas and the points they have mentioned. So, law is in place for a reason. And whatever happens, the law will take its course. And therefore, it will be incorrect for me or anybody to simply come in and say that the rules and the laws will change because it's one organization or different organization or one individual. I think that is not proper in governance. Therefore, please allow the law to take its own course. I think it's not proper for us to interfere. And the laws have been made for that purpose. And it will move ahead with that purpose.
So the leader of opposition conspiracy behind this?
Well, we are investigating the entire aspect, and we are not closing any of the possibilities. We're looking at all aspects. We saw the statement made by the General Secretary of KSU right after the incident happened, saying that that it was not their people who were involved in the violence. But obviously, at that point in time, given the circumstances and given all the situation, the reports and everything we had and the intel that we had at that point in time, we took action based on that. But as I said, we are not going to leave any stone unturned. That statement was made by the General Secretary of the KSU. So obviously we're going to ensure that investigation is done on all fronts.
So the leader of opposition has just a while ago has demanded the government to file FIRs against non-state actors for this road blockade, especially essential commodities carrying.
Yeah, we have managed to, situation has been brought under control in kind of a limited period of time. A lot of discussions took place in the front, behind, and communication was being done. So the idea is to resolve the issues. I think that is what is the primary objective that we have in front. We will definitely examine the points that have been placed by the Honorable LO, and we'll see after examining how we should move forward in that. But we'll examine it.
Kata baik smart card senangnya sangka.
Nhà em khá mà cả tại em SIS mà
Gak jingir apa saya lalu yang Sorkar hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Ada MHIS KP.
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi konfi hap ada medika hostel, dah hap lek pi ka registration. Kalau ada pi dengan smart card, dah sampah cok.
Oh dokter kan lah ya.
Yang ni konfi hap lek operation ni yo.แต่ความกล้ามตัวครับปัญญาในพี่อยากไปสร้างตะก้าหับไล่ operation นี้แต่ว่าพี่จะสกัดพี่และนี่ก็สมัครกันแต่ก็ทำไปเอาเรื่องพี่
Ri nak pagi mon le yoไปสาวสมาเนี่ยคนอับมันได้ในเสียyoสมาเขาเลยสิบนนะเขาเอาเยละตัวประชังเขาฟูเนี่ย
So
cũng đại chỉ bột mò